Is it possible to ride from Mumbai to Goa on an electric scooter? Well, wait and watch this video till the end to find out if it's possible or not. The time is a little over 6:30 and I've left my house in Kalyan. This is going to be an epic journey of uncertainty because I have no idea where I'll reach, how I'll reach, and even if I reach Goa, how much time will it take? The bottle has kind of broken out of my bag and got out. I don't know what to do with this. I don't want to throw this because this has been with me for a long time. So I don't have extra clothes. So I think I'll just keep it here. Okay, fine. So we have a space to keep the bottle. So that is settled and let's continue. Oh man, we are on a bridge. This is the first time I'm getting stuck on a highway, on a bridge actually. If you're riding from the corner, there's a very high chance that your scooter or your tire may get punctured. That's one risk you have to take if you're trying to overtake the trucks on the side of the road. "474 kilometers more and I have to continue straight." Yes, we are still on the national highway, which is made of paver blocks. Probably because there's a bridge coming in. And this, I've been riding on this very bad stretch for a long time. The electric scooters are so, kind of seem so delicate that we don't know how much of shock we can put on it. And the bad patches were like really bad, at least for 15 minutes, and now it's on the highway, but still the road is not that smooth. That's the Konkan railway running besides me. More than 100 kilometers have been done and now what remains is 416 kilometers. So since I've completed my 103 or 4 kilometers, I'm going to change the battery. It's very heavy. The battery weight is I think 16 kilos. So yeah, that's not an easy thing to do. Just look at the condition of the road, man. "180 plus kilometers have been done. I've been riding for more than almost 6 hours now. And both my batteries are out of juice. I have to get them charged and that will take a lot of time. So from now the ride won't be much long. I think I'll stop by another 80 or 60 to 80 kilometers wait for the day, charge the battery again, and then start the journey again tomorrow. So yeah, it's a little messy with electric scooters, but if you like adventure, you can do it. Day 1 has ended. I am in a hotel. ये t-shirt है नकली. That's Gully Boy. Anyways, I've rode like almost 280 kilometers for the day. I've reached. I'm ahead of Chiplun, but little behind of Savada, and the day has ended. I charged the battery twice, which was for 1 hour something at 2 places. Apparently people are not that happy letting you charge your batteries. I mean, can't blame them. Tomorrow I'll enter Goa, which is almost 270 kilometers from here. So yeah, tomorrow my aim is to reach Goa, and then you know what I'll do in Goa. No, I will be sleeping in the hotel and waking up early in the morning and coming back to Bombay. Yes, this is going to be a return trip, which is almost 1100 kilometers in 4 days on an electric scooter. So this is just first part. This is just the one way which you're going, Mumbai to Goa, and we have to come back as well. So see you tomorrow. Can you see me? Look at that sunrise. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Here starts another stretch of beautiful road. See the view on the left hand side. There's a farm, small house, an annoying truck on the right, and yeah, let me continue. Farmhouse, and then you have a mountain, and on that above it you have the sun. Beautiful, but there's no road. Two 33 kilometers more. I've already done almost 35 for the day. This was going to be the second wrong turn for the day. Before this I took a wrong turn, and I think it kind of cost me 10 kilometers plus. But again, we are taking shortcuts. The road is proper, the highway is, oh my god. So this is the problem with shortcuts. The road is almost shitty and non-existent. The sceneries will be good, and yeah, I can probably save like what 20-30 kilometers. I don't think I should pursue on this road because this kind of looks very broken. The highway, the Google shows this road as suitable for car, but I don't think this is going to be good. So I asked a guy over here on a bike, and I asked him how was the road ahead. He told me it's very bad for some time and then it gets better. So yes, you can continue on this road. The first battery has been completely or almost completely discharged. Almost 98 is what I got from this battery. Now I have to, you know the drill, I have to change the battery. We are crossing Lanja, bad roads, lot of traffic, and police checking for mask. Do wear mask. Coronavirus has not yet gone. Yeah, guys, be safe. Wear a mask. It doesn't harm you. I think all the way is a little more better because it kind of helps you to avoid the pollution we have on road and to breathe a little good air. So wear masks. The roads are big and beautiful. I never thought this day will come when NH66 will be so wide and smooth. Oops. So after food for myself and a battery, I'm back on the road to Goa. Slight change in plans. It's a little hard to reach Arambol. So maybe we'll try and go to just enter Goa, which is kind of the same. Dua, 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 dua. Look at the sun from the flames. Final update. So I'm here at Banda, and this is the border. 6 kilometers remains. I have reached Goa. My face is dark with dust, but it's glowing with pride. No, actually. Yesterday I was in Mumbai and today I'm in Goa. 2 days, 530 kilometers on an electric scooter. What an achievement. But that still doesn't fill the void in my life. On a serious note, I did this road trip to see if electric scooters are made for long road trips. I wanted to see how well they handle the highways, the bad patches, the rumblers, the speed breakers, the off-roading and everything. That's the reason I chose NS66. And also, can we speed the bike on the highway? How long can we ride the bike for in a continuous stretch? All of those questions. Also, the reaction of people when I carry this huge battery with me to charge in the hotel or shop or whatever place it is. So these were the reasons I did the road trip, and my observations are this. In short, you can complete a long road trip with an electric scooter. It's not like the traditional scooters or bikes, but it definitely can do the job for you. So the scooter I used in this video was Raft Warrior by Raft Motors, but I'm sure a lot of other scooters can also do the job. If you have any questions or queries, put it in the comment section. I'll reply to your comment. And also like, share, subscribe, and see you in another video. Bye.